Good morning everyone. So in last class we have completed exercise 2. In that first bit and second bit we have completed. Now we are starting our third bit. So what is third bit? Madhu buys 5 kgs of potatoes at the market. So how Madhu buys how many kgs of potatoes? 5 kgs of potatoes. If the cost of 2 kgs is 36 rupees, what is the cost of 2 kgs here? 2 kgs of potatoes is 36 rupees. How much will Madhu pay? So how much amount Madhu will pay we have to find. So see the solution. So first what you will write? Cost of 2 kgs of potatoes is how much? 36 rupees. So we have to find the cost of 5 kgs of potatoes. So cost of 5 kgs of potatoes. So we don't know the rupees value, so we will take in the form of x rupees. So by using proportion we will find this. So what they give for 2 kgs, for 2 kgs of potatoes, what is the cost here? 36 rupees. And what we have to find? That is, we have to find for 5 kgs. For 5 kgs of potatoes, what is the cost we don't know. So I am taking in the form of x. So already I told you that product of extremes will be equals to product of means. So you write here product of extremes is equals to product of means. So what are the extreme values? First and last term will be extremes, and in the same way second and third will be means. So product of extremes, what are extreme values here? 2 into x will be equals to means, that is 36 into 5. So if I transpose this 2 to other side, that will be converted into division, because the relation of 2 and x is multiplication. So I am transposing this 2 to other side, so that will be converted into division. So x is equals to 36 into 5 by 2. Now cancel the 2 table. 2 ones are 2 18s are 36. So how much you got here? X is equals to 18 into 5. So x will be how much? 90 rupees. So you got the cost of 5 kgs of potatoes is how much? 90 rupees. So therefore cost of 5 kgs of potatoes is equals to 90 rupees. So this is our third solution. So what is the question here? Madhu buys 5 kgs of potatoes in the market, and the cost of every 2 kgs potatoes is 36 rupees. So we have to find the cost of 5 kgs here. So by using proportionality we are finding this. For 2 kgs cost is 36 rupees. For 5 kgs we don't know the cost. So already we know that product of extremes will be equals to product of means. So product of extremes means the first and last term will be extremes, and the second and third terms will be means here. So multiply this 2 into x is equals to 36 into 5. Send this 2 to other side, that will be converted into division. 2 ones are 2 18s are is 36. I have cancelled in 2 table. So x is equals to 18 into 5. So x value is how much? 90 rupees. So you got the cost of 5 kgs as 90 rupees. So next one. Next one, physics tell us the weight of an object on the moon is proportional to its weight on earth. Suppose 90 kgs man weight is 15 kgs on moon. Suppose any person's weight is 90 kgs on earth, the weight will be 15 kgs on moon, it seems. So what will be a 60 kgs woman weight on the moon? So on the moon, what is the weight of that 60 kgs woman we have to find. So again by using proportionality we are finding that. So fourth solution. So weight of man's weight on earth. Earth is how much? 90 kgs. So man's weight on moon. Moon is how much here? That is 15 kgs. For 90 kgs of man, his weight is 90 kgs on earth, but weight on moon is how much? 15 kgs. Now, what they gave next one? Man's weight on earth. Women's. Women weight on earth is 60 kgs. We have to find the woman's weight on moon. So it is, I am taking it as x kg. So we have to find the x value here. So again, by using proportionality we are finding, that is for 90 kgs the weight on moon is 15 kgs for man. Okay, and for woman 60 kgs on earth, and on moon how much is the weight we have to find. So how you will write? For 90 kgs it is 15 kgs. For women, for 60 kgs, what is the weight on moon we have to find. Okay, so again we know that product of means is equals to product of extremes, or product of extremes is equals to product of means. Anyway you can write. Okay, so product of extremes are first and last term, product of means are second and third term. Now you multiply. 90 into x is equals to 15 into 60, and multiply the product of extreme side, product of means. Now I am sending this 90 to other side, so that will be converted into division. So x is equals to 15 into 60 by 90. So in which table you can cancel this? 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now in 3 table I am cancelling. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay, so once again I am doing the cancellation. See here, 15 into 60 by 90. 0 0 is cancelled. I am cancelling in 3 table first. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. This is how I have cancelled. Now what is the remaining? We will continue the remaining problem. 5 2s are 5 into 2 you got. X is equals to 10 kgs. So women's weight on moon is how much? 10 kgs. So therefore weight of woman on moon is how much? We got it as 10 kgs. Okay, so this is our fourth solution. Next is fifth one. Fifth solution. So what is fifth one? We will see. So what is fifth question? A disaster relief team consists of engineers and doctors in the ratio 2:5. Already I told you about ratio. Ratio is nothing but ordered comparison of same quantities. In the same way, ratio result will be in the form of multiples of given numbers. Okay, so if there are 18 engineers, find the number of doctors. How many engineers are there? 18 are there. How many doctors are there? We have to find. In the same way, in second bit, if there are 65 doctors, how many number of engineers are there? We have to find. In second bit, total number of doctors are 65. We have to find how many number of engineers are there. So first write the ratio of engineers and doctors. What is the ratio they have given? They have given as 2:5. So now first bit, number of engineers are how many? In first bit they have given number of engineers is equals to how many are there? 18 are there. So what we have to find? We have to find how many number of doctors are there. So number of doctors we don't know, so I am taking it as X. So again I am using proportionality only. So these are engineers and these are the doctors. First engineers, then doctors. So what is the ratio for 2:5? Ratio of engineers is 2 and ratio of doctors is 5. So in the same way, how many engineers are there? They have given as 18. How many doctors are there? We don't know, so I am taking it as X. Again we are using proportionality condition, that is product of extremes is equals to product of means. Product of means. So what are the extremes? First and last term are extremes and second and third term are means here. So multiply now. 2 into x is equals to 5 into 18. Now you send this 2 to other side. So x is equals to 5 into 18 by 2. It will be converted into division. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So x is equals to 5 into 9. So x is equals to 9 5s is 45. So you got number of doctors as 45. So therefore number of doctors is equals to 45. Okay. Now next bit we will continue. So in next bit they have given number of doctors as 65. Number of doctors is equals to 65. We have to find how many number of engineers are there. So I am taking it as X. Again engineers are 2 ratio and doctors are 5 ratio. So 2:5. First we have written engineers. So what is the engineers value? X. And next we wrote doctors value, that is 65. Okay. Now again product of means is equals to product of extremes, or product of extremes is equals to product of means. So product of extremes is equals to product of means. So what are extremes here? First and last term, fourth term are extremes and second and third term are means. So 2 into 65 is equals to 5 into x. Okay. Now I am sending this 5 to other side. It will be converted into division. So x will be 2 into 65 by 5. Now you can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. That means 5 13s are 65. So x value is how much? 2 into 13. So x is 13 2s is 26. So you got number of engineers as 26. So therefore number of engineers is equals to 26. So this is our fifth solution. So sixth one. So what is sixth one? The ratio of two angles is 3:1. Find the larger angle if the smaller is 180. We have to find the larger angle. They have given the smaller angle as 180, and in second bit they have given smaller angle if the larger angle is 63. So smaller angle we have to find, larger angle they have given as 63. Okay. So the ratio between two angles. two angles they have given as 3:1. So this is the larger one, this is the smaller one. Okay, so here 3 is a larger angle and 1 is a smaller angle. They have given in the form of ratio. So that ratio we have to convert into answer. That means the result will be in the form of 3 multiples and 1 multiple. Okay, so what is the first one? First bit they have given larger angle if the smaller angle is 180. So smaller angle value they have given as 180 degrees and larger angle we have to find. So I am taking that as x degrees. So compare this ratio. Larger, smaller is as larger, smaller. Okay. Now again the product of extremes is equals to product of means. So what are extreme values here? 3 and 180 are extreme values, and what are means value? That is 1 and x. So that will be 3 into 180 is equals to 1 into x. 1 into x is nothing but x itself. So x is equals to 3 into 180. So multiply this. 3 zeros are 0. 3 eights are 24. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So you got the larger angle as 540. So you got the larger angle. Therefore, larger angle is equals to 540 degrees. So this is a larger one. This is smaller. Okay. So this is first bit. Next is second bit we will see. Now we have to find the smaller angle. They have given the larger angle as 63. Okay. So now larger angle they have given as 63. Smaller angle we don't know, so we are taking it as x again. Okay, so this is in the form of larger and smaller. So 3:1. What is this is larger, this is smaller. So again we have to start with larger only. What is the larger? 63 degrees is to x. Now product of means is equals to product of extremes. So right here product of extremes is equals to product of means. Multiply the terms. 3 into x is equals to 1 into 63. So I am sending this 3 to other side. So x is equals to 1 into 63 is 63 itself by 3. So 3 ones are 321s are. So what is the smaller angle here? 21 degrees. So therefore smaller angle is equals to 21 degrees. So with this our exercise 2 is completed, and in next class we will discuss about unitary method and direct proportion and along with the problems. Thank you.